Let's start. A2 equal to 13, A4 equal to 3. Find A and 3. First of all, we have to find out the D. D means common difference. So, an nth term formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d. A and a1 and okte. So, here an a2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1d, that is a2 how much 13 a equal to plus 1 d, equation 1 అనుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d, a4 how much 3, a plus 3d 2. So equation 1 and 2, a plus d is equal to 13, a plus 3d is equal to 3. Do subtract. So both cancel. Ikkada minus 2d, here 10, d equal to minus 5. d value వచ్చింది. d value substitute d value substitute in 1 లో 13 equal to a plus minus 5. So 13 plus 5 equal to a equal to 18, a equal to 18. Then a1 equal to 18, a third equal to 18 plus 2 into minus 5, 18 minus 10, that is 8, a3 equal to 8.